The Subtask Assessment. From one of the scoring screens, select the Subtask Assessment tab on the right-hand side of the screen. Review the pop-up box and select Continue. Note, if assistance wasn't already scored, the assistance score at the top reads 0. This will change after the subtask scores are submitted. Proceed to score the job by checking the Stop Time box. Then add a modification or accommodation if needed. Next, select the appropriate box for each subtask according to the instructions listed. Finally, select the interest level, type any necessary comments, and send the scores. Note, if the Return to Standard Scoring button is selected, all scores will be erased, and the job will need to be reassigned.